I might have dove into this a little too deep.
Hello and welcome to today's video. My name's Montee and I like motorcycles. As you can see, I want to give you guys a tour of my detailing cart that I built out since deciding to go with getting the bike ceramic coated. Come on, come here. Whoa.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Alright, let's try that again. So these are my two shampoos and my foam cannon. More on that later. So two brushes that I use. That one's for the rubber surfaces and that's for paint. Those are my wheel brushes. Finishing spray, that's a sealant that I got for free with my purchase. The Press-All spray bottle, the snap-on of spray bottles, I think, has a dual action trigger, so yeah, you see it. We'll see how these fare over time. While I was shopping, I also picked up a wash mitt from the Rad Company, and those blue gloves came from Harbor Freight. So up top I got some more wheel stuff. That's stuff that I normally use on my truck, but I brought it here. Bead Maker is another sealant, and that came recommended from the detailer that did the ceramic coating on the bike, and Brake Buster was the wheel cleaner that they recommended. I really like the one that we have here at the shop, so the jury's still out whether I like Brake Buster or not. And of course, the buckets. So lavender is for paint, and the gray bucket is for wheels. And of course, a couple of dirt traps there. You know, I almost left out this drawer, and not because it's not important, but I don't have anything to say about these new microfiber rags yet. I used them once and don't really have anything to say yet. And yes, that is yet another product for finishing. Like honey. This is still very early in this process, so I'm treating it like a test. I think this process is going to be faster than how I used to wash, even though I added a pre-wash foam. If foam does more work up front, then the contact wash should take less effort and less time. Normally I finish with a quick detailer after the wash, but I didn't record that. Sorry. Oh, Senior Snappy. Shoot, there's my man. Y'all know I want this lighted sign. I need y'all to help me get it. So Dave, good to see you again this week.
You too, Monty. How are you, buddy?
I'm good, man. So tell me about this promotion.
So today you're buying $637 worth of tools. So we got this great promotion called Factory to Finish line here.
Okay.
Snap-on. There's 10 grand prize winners. When you go over to Wisconsin, over here, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, see where the hand tools are made, you get to meet this guy, Bill. This is one of the slags that's left from when they make the open end or combination wrenches.
You know, I had to nerd out on this a little bit, but snap-on wrenches are made from liquid metal, pressed to create the shape, and then the excess metal is trimmed away, which is what you see here.
Each 10 grand prize winners get to win this set right here, all in foam.
Oh, wow.
It's like $16,000 right here. So just for you, for buying $637 worth of tools, we got these tickets here for you. Get you some entries in there. Go home, pull the tab, QR code it, brings you to the website so you can register. There's some free tickets on there when you do some surveys and watch some videos.
Okay.
So that's what we got going on this month.
Oh, man. Y'all know I might need a bigger toolbox from getting more tools.
Absolutely. Appreciate the purchases.
Thank you, huh?
The calm before the storm. I like coming in here before things get started. Nothing like a little before we open shopping. I do love a nice zip-up hoodie. Trying to get our clothing department manager our motor clothes manager to get some more. What do you guys think? So I can show you guys. That's pretty dope. And there's a whole pocket for it. Man, I don't know, most people get jobs so they can make money. It's like a deferred shopping experience over here. I lost my coffee. I mean, it can't have gone too far. Like I literally looked, there we are.
Oh yeah, you guys didn't get to see what I was fiddling with, but it's got a built-in balaclava and it zips into the hood. Let's talk about the obvious thing for a second. Yes, it's another cart. And it looks full right now because I've been testing ideas, and not because I think more stuff automatically equals better results. The biggest change for me has been using foam. I was spraying with a soap dispensing nozzle, and honestly, it was a waste and not doing much more than getting things wet. Nothing here is permanent, and that's okay. One reason I'm doing this series is to see how these changes stack up over time and under heavier use than the average rider. For now, there's about 14 inches of snow on the ground, so...
Yep. It's a little deep. Show everybody how deep it is, Chief. Over there. Hey.
Woke up slow with the sunrise glow. My buddy's at the door, tail swinging low.
Good job, my friend.
He's got that old tennis ball chewed up and frayed. And I know it's
How we gonna play fetch if you don't give it?
never gonna fade. We're just fetching.
Don't let these people see you lose. Don't let these people see you lose. You gonna lose.
Government line with his playful way. Got a smile in his eyes and he's ready to run, chasing down the sunlight, having all the fun.
Good job, buddy.
Grass is down, mist in the air.
Good boy.
Balls hit the ground, he's flying without a care. Every toss, every leap, a rhythm of joy. My best friend, my fetch loving boy.